Hi guys, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and in today's video this is a client refresh, and we have really stepped up his table. He just had the table bare, and as you can see, here's the table and the chairs, and we have just set his table to this beautiful place setting, which he already had. What we did, I'm recording a video, and we added the color green for this spring look, and he chose this color from a Pinterest photo, and I'll insert that photo that he just fell in love with the color. He didn't want to see anything else from the setting. And again, he already had this place setting here. Again, the placemat is new, and the glass is new, and the napkins are new. He already had this latrine, soup latrine, but we just added flowers to the latrine, and it just turned out stunning. Again, this is the place setting of the tablescape here, and he just loves it. And look for more things, organizational things we'll be doing in the space as well. And let's get into where I got these items from. The placemats were from Ross. The glass was from the Dollar Tree. The napkins were from Old Time Pottery. And the flowers are a mixture of Dollar Tree flowers and Old Time Pottery flowers. This arrangement came out so stunning, and we're just in love with it. And thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Again, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and we're inspiring you to design your life with style. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.